In this video, I'll show you how to connect Asana to Notion. So to get started, go ahead and open Notion in your browser and then sign in to your Notion account. Now, once you're on Notion, you're signed in and you're on your private section, go ahead and click on these three dots at the top right of your screen. Click on import under this, and then in here look for Asana. Click on Asana, and then after you click on Asana, make sure to grant the permission to be able to connect Asana to Notion, and then after that you need to choose the Asana workspace that you want to import. So after you select the workspace that you want to import, make sure to select also the theme space where you want this to be placed. So you can create a new one or select an existing one and then click on next. And then in here, go ahead and set this to your preference and then click on import to proceed importing info from Asana to Notion. And that is how you can basically connect Asana to Notion. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.